Collagen. Collagen accounts for 30% of your body's protein. It provides structure, support, or strength to your skin, muscles, bones, and connective tissues. Scientific research is lacking for most collagen supplements, but a well-balanced diet gives your body the raw ingredients it needs to help it make collagen naturally. Collagen is the primary building block of your body's skin, muscles, bones, tendons, and ligaments, and other connective tissues. It's also found in your organs, blood vessels, and intestinal lining. Proteins are made from amino acids. The main amino acids that make collagen are proline, glycine, and hydroxyproline. These amino acids group together to form protein fibrils in a triple helix structure. Your body also needs the proper amount of vitamin C, zinc, copper, and manganese to make the triple helix. Collagen's main role is to provide structure, strength, and support throughout your body. Collagen's specific roles include helping fibroblasts form in your dermis middle skin layer, which helps new cells grow, playing a role in replacing dead skin cells, providing a protective covering for organs, giving structure, strength, and elasticity to your skin, helping your blood to clot. The main 5 types of collagen and what they do are: Type I. This type makes up 90% of your body's collagen. Type I is densely packed and used to provide structure to your skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments. Type II. This type is found in elastic cartilage, which provides joint support. Type III. This type is found in muscles, arteries, and organs. Type IV. This type is found in the layers of your skin. Type V. This type is found in the cornea of your eyes, some layers of skin, hair, and tissue of the placenta. Reduce your risk of collagen damage by avoiding these lifestyle habits. Smoking. Smoking decreases collagen production. It damages collagen and elastin, leading to wrinkles and slow wound healing. Nicotine constricts blood vessels near your skin surface, preventing the delivery of oxygen and nutrients. Eating too much sugar and refined carbs. Sugar attaches to proteins to form advanced glycation end products. These molecules damage nearby proteins and cause collagen to become weak, dry, and brittle. Exposure to ultraviolet light. Too much sunlight reduces collagen production and causes collagen to break down more rapidly. Ultraviolet sunlight causes wrinkles. Avoid excessive sun exposure and always wear sunscreen SPF 30 and higher when you're outside. The 12 best high collagen foods. 1. Bone broth. 2. Fish and shellfish. 3. Chicken. 4. Beef. 5. Egg whites. 6. Citrus fruit. 7. Berries. 8. Garlic. 9. Dairy. 10. Cashews. 11. Pork rinds. 12. Oysters.